Hello everyone. Let's learn together with Hawa English. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
She wakes up at 6 a.m.
She wakes up at 6 a.m.
I stretch in bed.
I stretch in bed.
She stretches in bed.
She stretches in bed.
I turn off the alarm clock.
I turn off the alarm clock.
She turns off the alarm clock.
She turns off the alarm clock.
I sit up slowly in bed.
I sit up slowly in bed.
She sits up slowly in bed.
She sits up slowly in bed.
I hug myself.
I hug myself.
She hugs herself.
She hugs herself.
I open the curtains.
I open the curtains.
She opens the curtains.
She opens the curtains.
I open the door.
I open the door.
She opens the door.
She opens the door.
I watch the sunrise.
I watch the sunrise.
She watches the sunrise.
She watches the sunrise.
I smile to start the day.
I smile to start the day.
She smiles to start the day.
She smiles to start the day.
I check the weather outside.
I check the weather outside.
She checks the weather outside.
She checks the weather outside.
I make the bed.
I make the bed.
She makes the bed.
She makes the bed.
I say a morning affirmation.
I say a morning affirmation.
She says a morning affirmation.
She says a morning affirmation.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
She listens to music.
She listens to music.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
She drinks a glass of water.
She drinks a glass of water.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
She brushes her teeth.
She brushes her teeth.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
She washes her hands.
She washes her hands.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
She washes her face.
She washes her face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
She takes a shower.
She takes a shower.
I apply skincare products.
I apply skincare products.
She applies skincare products.
She applies skincare products.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
She combs her hair.
She combs her hair.
I style my hair.
I style my hair.
She styles her hair.
She styles her hair.
I put on deodorant.
I put on deodorant.
She puts on deodorant.
She puts on deodorant.
I clip my nails.
I clip my nails.
She clips her nails.
She clips her nails.
I wear yoga clothes.
I wear yoga clothes.
She wears yoga clothes.
She wears yoga clothes.
I do yoga.
I do yoga.
She does yoga.
She does yoga.
I meditate for 5 minutes.
I meditate for 5 minutes.
She meditates for 5 minutes.
She meditates for 5 minutes.
I go for a morning walk.
I go for a morning walk.
She goes for a morning walk.
She goes for a morning walk.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
She stretches her body.
She stretches her body.
I practice deep breathing.
I practice deep breathing.
She practices deep breathing.
She practices deep breathing.
I do 10 push-ups.
I do 10 push-ups.
She does 10 push-ups.
She does 10 push-ups.
I dance to my favorite song.
I dance to my favorite song.
She dances to her favorite song.
She dances to her favorite song.
I lift light weights.
I lift light weights.
She lifts light weights.
She lifts light weights.
I do a quick plank challenge.
I do a quick plank challenge.
She does a quick plank challenge.
She does a quick plank challenge.
I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
She rides a bike.
She rides a bike.
I watch the morning news.
I watch the morning news.
She watches the morning news.
She watches the morning news.
I pet my dog or cat.
I pet my dog or cat.
She pets her dog or cat.
She pets her dog or cat.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
She waters the plants.
She waters the plants.
I drink herbal tea.
I drink herbal tea.
She drinks herbal tea.
She drinks herbal tea.
I take vitamins.
I take vitamins.
She takes vitamins.
She takes vitamins.
I eat a piece of fruit.
I eat a piece of fruit.
She eats a piece of fruit.
She eats a piece of fruit.
I cook eggs for breakfast.
I cook eggs for breakfast.
She cooks eggs for breakfast.
She cooks eggs for breakfast.
I make toast with butter.
I make toast with butter.
She makes toast with butter.
She makes toast with butter.
I brew a cup of coffee.
I brew a cup of coffee.
She brews a cup of coffee.
She brews a cup of coffee.
I sip my coffee.
I sip my coffee.
She sips her coffee.
She sips her coffee.
I squeeze fresh orange juice.
I squeeze fresh orange juice.
She squeezes fresh orange juice.
She squeezes fresh orange juice.
I eat oatmeal with fruit.
I eat oatmeal with fruit.
She eats oatmeal with fruit.
She eats oatmeal with fruit.
I make a smoothie.
I make a smoothie.
She makes a smoothie.
She makes a smoothie.
I add honey to my tea.
I add honey to my tea.
She adds honey to her tea.
She adds honey to her tea.
I wake up my son.
I wake up my son.
She wakes up her son.
She wakes up her son.
I sit down for breakfast with my family.
I sit down for breakfast with my family.
She sits down for breakfast with her family.
She sits down for breakfast with her family.
I help my son get dressed.
I help my son get dressed.
She helps her son get dressed.
She helps her son get dressed.
I pack the kids' school bags.
I pack the kids' school bags.
She packs the kids' school bags.
She packs the kids' school bags.
I hug my family members.
I hug my family members.
She hugs her family members.
She hugs her family members.
I check today's schedule.
I check today's schedule.
She checks today's schedule.
She checks today's schedule.
I pack a lunchbox.
I pack a lunchbox.
She packs a lunchbox.
She packs a lunchbox.
I iron my clothes.
I iron my clothes.
She irons her clothes.
She irons her clothes.
I put on my outfit.
I put on my outfit.
She puts on her outfit.
She puts on her outfit.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
She puts on her shoes.
She puts on her shoes.
I put on high heels.
I put on high heels.
She puts on high heels.
She puts on high heels.
I wear a watch.
I wear a watch.
She wears a watch.
She wears a watch.
I wear a belt.
I wear a belt.
She wears a belt.
She wears a belt.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
She looks in the mirror.
She looks in the mirror.
I spray perfume.
I spray perfume.
She sprays perfume.
She sprays perfume.
I pack a water bottle.
I pack a water bottle.
She packs a water bottle.
She packs a water bottle.
I write a to-do list.
I write a to-do list.
She writes a to-do list.
She writes a to-do list.
I check the calendar.
I check the calendar.
She checks the calendar.
She checks the calendar.
I go to work.
I go to work.
She goes to work.
She goes to work.
I go to the train station.
I go to the train station.
She goes to the train station.
She goes to the train station.
I take a nap on the train.
I take a nap on the train.
She takes a nap on the train.
She takes a nap on the train.
I jog to my office.
I jog to my office.
She jogs to her office.
She jogs to her office.
Thank you for studying with us. You did a great job. We'll see you next time.